Hey everyone, Neil deGrasse Tyson here. When I was a kid, nothing fascinated me more than gazing up at the night sky, wondering about those distant points of light. Were they stars, planets, or something else entirely? Today, we have the technology to bring those celestial wonders closer than ever before. Have you ever dreamed of seeing Saturn's rings or Jupiter's moons up close? Today, we're revealing the top 5 telescopes that'll turn your planetary viewing dreams into reality. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned stargazer, stick around for expert tips and hidden tricks to maximize your experience. Let's dive in. First up, we have the Celestron NexStar 8 SE. Now, this telescope is like the sports car of the astronomy world. It's sleek, it's computerized, and it's got this amazing feature called go-to functionality. Imagine this, you want to see the Andromeda Galaxy, a swirling collection of 1 trillion stars over 2 million light-years away. With the NexStar 8 SE, you simply punch in the object's name on the hand controller, and the telescope automatically slews to its location. No more fumbling around in the dark trying to align your finder scope. It's like having a personal astronomer built right in. Plus, this bad boy comes equipped with an 8-inch aperture, which means it can gather a ton of light. That translates to brighter images and more detail, especially when you're trying to make out those faint, fuzzy objects in the night sky. But what really sets the NexStar 8 SE apart is its ease of use. You don't need to be a seasoned astronomer to operate this telescope. It's perfect for beginners who want to spend less time fiddling with settings and more time exploring the cosmos. Now let's say you're working with a tighter budget, but you still want a telescope that packs a punch. That's where the Orion SkyQuest XT8 comes in. This telescope is a classic Dobsonian design, which means it's simple, sturdy, and incredibly affordable for what it offers. You won't find any fancy electronics or computerized tracking systems here, but trust me, what it lacks in bells and whistles, it more than makes up for in sheer light-gathering power. With its 8-inch aperture, the SkyQuest XT8 pulls in an impressive amount of light, allowing you to see fainter objects with greater clarity. Think of it like this. If the NexStar 8 SE is a high-tech sports car, the SkyQuest XT8 is a reliable pickup truck. It might not be as flashy, but it gets the job done and then some. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that the SkyQuest XT8 is a bit on the bulky side. It's not exactly what you'd call portable. But if you've got the space and you're looking for an incredible value, this telescope is hard to beat. Chapter 3. Meade LX90 ACF, the Detail-Obsessed Powerhouse. Alright, now we're moving into the realm of serious astronomy enthusiasts. The Meade LX90 ACF is a telescope designed for those who demand the absolute best in optical performance. This telescope features Meade's advanced coma-free optics, which essentially means you're getting images that are incredibly sharp and free from distortion, even at the edges of the field of view. And with a 10-inch aperture, the LX90 ACF is a light-gathering monster. It's like having a window to the universe that reveals details you never even knew existed. Now, all this advanced technology does come at a price. The LX90 ACF is definitely an investment. But for serious stargazers, it's worth every penny. Imagine being able to see the intricate details of lunar craters, the swirling cloud bands of Jupiter, or even the faint dust lanes in distant galaxies. That's the kind of experience the LX90 ACF delivers. Chapter 4. Skywatcher EvoStar 120, the Classic Refractor. For some astronomers, there's a certain charm to using a classic refractor telescope. And if that's your style, the Skywatcher EvoStar 120 is definitely worth a look. This telescope uses a system of lenses to gather and focus light, just like the telescopes used by Galileo and Kepler centuries ago. Now, refractor telescopes are known for producing images with excellent contrast and sharpness, and the EvoStar 120 is no exception. Its 120mm lens delivers stunning views of planets like Venus, where you can actually track the phases as it orbits the Sun. You can even see the subtle color variations in Jupiter's cloud bands. One thing to keep in mind is that the EvoStar 120 does require manual tracking. That means you'll need to adjust the telescope's position periodically to keep your target object in view. But for many amateur astronomers, that hands-on experience is part of the fun. Chapter 5. Celestron Astromaster 70AZ, the gateway to the cosmos. Finally, let's talk about a telescope that's perfect for beginners and families, the Celestron Astromaster 70AZ. This telescope is incredibly affordable, easy to use, and a fantastic way to introduce yourself or your loved ones to the wonders of the night sky. Now, you're not going to get Hubble-level detail with the Astromaster 70AZ, but you'll be amazed at what you can see. You can easily observe the craters on the Moon, the rings of Saturn, and even the Galilean moons of Jupiter. Plus, the Astromaster 70AZ is lightweight and portable, making it easy to take on camping trips or to your favorite stargazing spot. It's the perfect telescope to spark a lifelong love of astronomy. Aro, keep exploring the cosmos. So there you have it, folks. 5 incredible telescopes for every level of astronomy enthusiast. From the auto-tracking marvel of the Celestron NexStar 8SE to the budget-friendly power of the Orion SkyQuest XT8, there's a telescope out there waiting to unlock the secrets of the universe for you. Remember, the most important thing is to get out there and start exploring. Every time you look up at the night sky, you're connecting with something far greater than yourself. So, which telescope will you choose? Let me know in the comments. If you enjoyed this, smash that subscribe button. We've got a video coming up on how to photograph planets next week. Clear skies!